Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I have been dying to see what happens when you mix the Artist Loft Ready Mixed pouring paint with silicone. So we're going to use the Spot On Treadmill silicone today. And I'm going to just layer it in between colors in my cup. And I really hope this works out because these paints can be a bit on the expensive side. But I have yet to get any cells with them, so I'm kind of hoping that maybe the silicone does something. I also got a new color, which is red. We're going to throw a little in there. A little more silicone. So I've put, I think, about 6 drops total in there. I hope something around there. And okay, that should be good. And we are gonna do the flip cup technique. My next experiment with this stuff is to try mixing it with other paints. But for now, just the silicone. All right, so we're gonna let this sit here for a minute and then we'll come back and we'll see what we've got. Okay, we're back. Awesome, so I definitely see cells already forming. Just for funsies, I'm gonna go ahead and torch this. This still gets some interesting air bubbles, so. Woo, that's so cool. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that. Look at those crazy patterns. That is the weirdest thing. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up on this because those are just weird. Hold on. Look at this. It's got these like worm-like cells. That is so weird. I haven't really seen other paints really do that effect. Ooh, look at this beautiful lacing over here. Okay, we're getting ahead of ourselves because we have not, we've not tilted it. So here we go. Let's see what happens. And this was just me layering silicone in between. So it might, I'm sure you get a different effect as well if you are actually mixing it into your colors. But this still is not the same effect that you get mixing silicone into the Artist Loft Flow acrylics. It's not even close to the same effect. This is something totally different and very interesting. All right. I don't think I like that. Okay. So let's go ahead. We'll let this sit. We'll see if anything else develops. And then we are going to come in and do our close-up. All right, we're back. So we do have some other cells popping up in here. Let's do our close-up. So here's the lower right-hand corner. I actually do kind of like this section. It's really funky. You can see that the silicone's made some like actual divots there, where you can see the canvas. Up to the upper right-hand section. And it is getting some really interesting cells. Upper left-hand corner. And down to the lower left-hand corner, where unfortunately we lost a lot of that lacing and some really odd cells kind of took over there. So there you have it, the ready mix paint with silicone. I'm not really a fan of it. Let me know what you think. I'm really curious. And otherwise, stay tuned for more experiments. The next one experiment-wise with this stuff is using it with other paints. So that's coming up. I'll see you later.